Hello everyone, welcome to Bond Bytes, daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Nikhil. In today's market highlights, RBI has announced a borrowing calendar for first half of financial year 25, and the total amount to be borrowed is rupees 7.5 trillion. And the proposed borrowing calendar shows that RBI will be borrowing about 53% of total borrowing, budgeted borrowing, as mentioned in the budget. Given this, if we compare with the previous two fiscal years, where we have seen the first half of the financial year, government has been borrowing about 58% kind of total borrowing. And also this year in the budget, Finance Ministry showcased that total borrowing for the entire financial year is 8% lower than previous year. And with first half of the financial year, they're borrowing slightly lower than the previous run rate. Shows that the government will be doing about close to 7.5 trillion, out of which you have scheduled redemptions of rupees 1.7 trillion, and which will be leading to the net borrowing of rupees 5.8 trillion. And also, RBI proposed to issue a new 15-year benchmark security with no floating rate bonds issued in the first half. And net T-bill borrowing is at rupees 30 billion for first quarter of 25. And also, there is a place for sovereign green bonds in the first half of the financial year, where they'll be issuing a 10-year maturity sovereign green bond for rupees almost 120 billion. Coming to the market highlights, we have 10-year yields rallied in the previous two trading sessions, leading up to yields fell up to 7.05%, and 5-year yields fell up to 7.04%. And on the equity front, we have Sensex and Nifty traded on a higher note, and Nifty almost closed the financial year with a total gains of 30%. And on the USD INR pair, it's traded slightly on a negative note. And on the global front, we have 10-year US Treasury yields traded at 4.22%. Thank you for listening in, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not done so already, and do read the disclaimer, that is investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, and securitized debt instruments are subject to risk, including delay and or default in payment. Read all the offer document related documents carefully. Thank you so much.